Hi teacher, in my person and my life at university. Uh, Theological, hi Pedro, how are you doing? Is how everything is great over there. I wanted to tell you about my life at university. I study international business. This semester, I take in subjects like economics, international trade, business English, and marketing. Most of my classes are very interesting because I like learning about companies and global markets. And international trade will learn about import and export process and enjoy the class. I love because I want to work with international companies in the future. In economics, we study how money and markets work. It's not very easy, but it's useful. I also take using English, where we practice speaking, writing, and listening. I like it because with us real life situations, marketing is very creative and fun. We do lot of grow activities. Uh, I have class from Monday to Friday. Usually 7 o'clock a.m. to 1 o'clock p.m. I don't have many breaks, but try to rest when I get home. I don't a lot of homework, especially for economics and marketing, and that's I likely about my university life. What about you? Uh, how is school going in your country? Take care and talk you soon. Best regards, Pedro. Thank you. See you later.